All right, hello, Jack and Megan, and anybody else watching this. This is 6-9 Notes. We are going to roll right on through this, and this is very exciting because there's only one side for notes. It's very, very exciting. Solving log equations and inequalities. I really don't even know why this is a separate section because we've been doing this all along. So we're just going to jump right in.
So then why are we doing the homework?
I don't know, because you need more practice. Okay? So A, here's my equal sign. Ready? How do we solve it? How are we going to solve this thing?
We take exponent.
Yeah, let's make it an exponent. Look at you go. Exponent. The base is going to be 36 to the 3 over 2 equals x. Now, don't get a calculator out. I'm going to show you how to do this. Ready? 36 to the 3 over 2 power is the same thing as 36 to the 1/2 and then that to the third, right? I took the 3 off the top. Okay? So I made it to the 1/2 and then to the third. You got that? Does that make sense? That would be a thing? Do you know what the 1/2 power means? What's it mean when it takes a... No, not divide by 2. The square root. The square root, right? The 1/2 power is the same thing as the square root. So what's the square root of 6? Or 36? 6. So this is 6 to the third power, which is 216. Did you know that?
Yes.
Yes, she did. She did. All right. I know. So did the calculator. 216. Got it? And the base is?
The B.
Wait, we just leave it like that?
That's it. 216 is the answer. Yep. Hey, look at that. We're going to rock right through this. 16 to the 5 over 2 power equals x, okay? Now, this is like 16 to the 1/2 and then to the 5th, right? 5 over 2 is, if I take the 1/2 out, the 5 goes, okay? But the 1/2 power means the square root, right? What's the square root of 16? 4, and then we take 4 to the 5th power. What's 4 to the 5th power? 1024. There you go. Okay.
Y'all just smart. You guys have calculators.
Look at that. They're
16
just...
to the 5 over 2 power, actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's
Whatever.
no need to do extra work if you
You are just silly. All right. Good? Happy with that? All right, you, Mr. Sir. See if you can do this in your calculator. Ready? Here's your equal sign. What shall we do? What shall we do? There's my equal sign. What shall we do? Can we cancel the logs off?
No.
Yeah, there's only one log on each side, right? This is underneath of the log, okay? So we've got x squared minus 4 equals 3x. Okay, now let's see if we can get the right answer here. What do we do next?
No, never mind.
Right, almost.
Done. This is the.
No, we're not done.
divide by...
That was just the last one.
Square root.
Nope, we can't take the square root because there's a 3x there.
Hold on. Let's think.
Nope, can't add 4.
Chill.
I mean, it could add 4, but it's not going to help. I mean, okay, I have an x squared, and I have an x, and I have a number. And none of those will combine.
No, never mind.
Take the square root.
So if I put them all into the same side, it will make a
0. 0 on one side.
simple trinomial. You betcha. Which one do you want to move? Let's subtract the 3x over. Okay, so I have x squared
Yes.
minus 3x minus 4, if I put them in order, right, equals 0. Okay, now he's a simple trinomial. So when we break this down, we want to multiply to give me -4, but when I add them, give me -3. Got it?
I forgot about
Okay. All right, what do you multiply to get -4 but add to get -3?
Minus 4 plus 1.
-4 and +1. So it's x minus 4, x plus 1, right? You see that? Yes, maybe? No? It's all coming back to you now a little bit. If I set x minus 4 equal to 0, what's x equal to?
Everything comes back to
4. If I set x plus 1 equal to 0, x equals -1. So I have 2 answers. Kind of.
Oh.
Are you ready for this one?
No.
Kind of. Okay? Kind of. Here's the deal. Here's the deal. Here's the trick. This is the one extra thing that you got to worry about today. Okay, ready? The deal is, if you're taking, let's say log base any number, let's say log base 4 of 0. Well, I'll just say equals an error because you can't do it. Log base 4 of 0 or log base anything of 0 is an error. Same thing with log base 4, let's say, of -5
It can be just
is an error. Okay? So if this number is 0 or if this number is -5 or negative, then we will end up with an error, which means we won't get an answer. Okay? Now, here's the deal. Here's the deal. Here's how this works. We have to check our answer. So we got 4 as an answer, right? If I plug 4 in, let's say I plug 4 in right here. Okay? 4 squared minus 4. What does that come out to be?
12.
12. Great. Can you take log of 12?
Maybe.
Is it 0 or negative?
Yeah. No. So.
No, so this is okay, right? And if I plug 4 in here, 3 times 4 is 12 also. That still works, right? But let's say I plug a negative 1 in, right?
No worry.
Negative 1 squared. What's negative 1 squared? 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Can you take log of a negative 3? No. So what happens?
Error.
That means I only have x equals 4 as my answer. Because when I plug that back in, it's not going to give me a good number, right? Okay? Yes, just the positive number ends up being an answer. Now, sometimes you'll only end up with one answer, and when you plug it back in, it gives you an error. So what does that mean? Then you have no solutions at all, right? And you'll just put no solutions at all, okay? So note, this little star right here, note that taking a log of a 0 or a negative number yields no solutions. So when we plugged these numbers back in, one of them gave me a negative, and I can't take log of a negative number, right? Okay, so you would just have 4 as your answer. Got it? All right, let's do these. These are the same thing, but inequality, so greater than symbol. What are you going to do here? These are too easy. Exponentiate. 3 to the 4 is greater than x. What is 3 to the 4th power? You should do that in your head. Do you know how to do 4th power? 4th powers you should be able to do in your head, right? 3, 3, 3, 3. That's 4 3s. You know what you do? Okay, here's how you don't take it to the 4th power. No, hold on. This is how, yeah, you're right. This is how you do it wrong, right? 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. And 27 times 3 is I have no idea, right? Instead, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 9 is 81. That's how you do it the right way.
But it works. 9 to 3, 9 to 27.
I know, it does work, but I get lost. I don't know what 27 times 3 is. I know what 9 times 9 is. I don't know what 27 times 3 is, okay?
Hey. You know what
So 81. There you go. If you are one of these people, there you go. Flip it around. If you are one of those people that has to have the x on the left, you can flip it around. Otherwise, if you don't care, you can leave it. Okay? I don't know. Anyway, there you go. Happy with that? Okay, let's do b. b, let's make it an exponential function also. The base is 4 to the 3rd is greater than or equal to x. All right, so x is less than or equal to 4 to the 3rd is 64.
So I think we like.
Or x is less than or equal to 64. There you go.
Can you go to the left for a second?
I know, right?
Please.
So easy. There you go.
Please go.
We'll wait for
no,
Gordon.
it's okay.
Gordon's a slow poke.
We know.
Gordon is. We have one example left. How crazy! But then we're gonna do like one maybe from your homework assignment. We'll see. Okay.
You're slow.
Okay. Example 4.
Thanks.
All right. Example 4. This is the last one. What would you like to do?
Multiply through.
No.
Okay, never mind.
Cancel the logs. Exactly. X plus 3 is greater than 2x plus 1. Okay. Jack, if you are watching this, do the x's first, please. Make me happy. Let's subtract an x over, okay? 3 is greater than, what's 2x minus x? Just x, just 1x, right? Plus 1. Okay, then what? Minus the 1 to the other side. So 2 is greater than x. Or if you're one of these people, x is less than 2, you can flip it back around, right? Okay, but that's how that works. What?
Were you one of those people?
No, I used to be, but now I'm like, we'll just leave it because we're lazy, right? We can be lazy. It's fine. You can be lazy. It's Friday, kind of.
You switched
Okay.
symbols.
Yeah, because I switched the order.
Yeah.
So if you, because here, x is on the small end too, right? So x is on the small end. So if you like to have your x on the left side, this will your symbol. Okay, got it? My Mac's almost dead. All right, so let's go down here. It is evens on both sides because I just want to. wait.
I mean, please
Evens
leave it
Evens,
there.
evens.
Thank you.
Even Stevens.
Okay.
We did some of these together last period, and I forgot to
Is
erase.
it evens 2?
And there's no story problem because I made it evens.
Evens is 2, 4, 6. Thank you.
Yep, evens is 2, 4, 6. Yep, okay.
Yes, no problem like this.
Let's do let's do together. Let's do 2 of them together because these are the tricky ones. Number 4 and number 8.
Wait, which page?
Okay, on practice. Look at number 4. Practice, look at number 4 real quick because look at how ugly that is. It's really not that disgusting actually. Okay,
We can take the
So-
log of 3.
number 4. Toby says, can we take the log of 3 and cancel?
No. Yes.
Yeah, we can, right? Okay. So x minus 3 over 4 plus 5 equals x plus 2. Okay?
Divided by
Not that
4.
bad.
No, I don't want to do that. What shall we do next?
Okay.
Multiply by 4.
Nope, I don't want to do that next.
I want. The 5 put it on the side because that's
Answer.
The 5.
Is that what you just
Subtract the
No,
5.
this is what I meant.
Okay?
You see where I get
Move the 5 to the other side. That's what you have to do first, okay? X minus 3 over 4 equals x
Minus 3.
minus 3.
And
Now what?
divided by 4.
Okay, now we're going to work on the 4, but what are we going to do with the 4?
Multiply it.
We're going to multiply the 4 to the other side, right?
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Right? Because
Right,
it's
so
dividing 4 right now, so we got to multiply it to the other side, okay? Then we've got x minus 3 over here by himself equals.
Yo, I didn't write it.
3x equals 9.
I've got to distribute the 4 through, so 4x minus
12.
12. Okay, then what?
The
Plus
3
3.
put it on the side.
No. Work on the x first. Toby?
Minus
It's
4.
3.
Minus the x
Why?
over. Okay,
Because
so
the plus
negative 3
No,
equals,
no.
what's 4x minus x?
3x.
3x
Minus
minus 12.
12.
Okay, then what do you
The
move?
12.
Plus the 12, plus the 12.
3 if it's already on that side.
9 equals 3x.
Which is free.
And then divide by 3.
You
So
know
x
what's
is-
crazy? You know what's crazy?
Please don't.
3.
Guess what?
I didn't read it. I didn't write it. I was.
Multiply by 4, same answer.
I don't want to do it again.
Okay, good? Yes? Happy with that?
Nope.
Amazing.
I'm fast. Gordon, give me the paper. Thank
Oh,
you.
yeah.
All right, ready?
So fast.
Number 8, you're going
I
to get
give
stumped
up.
on. Here's another one. You're going to get kind of stumped on. Here's my equal sign. I don't have a log on each side to cancel. So what do you
I'm the
do?
person who put the x on the right, on the left.
Yeah, and then you want just
What?
like divide.
I just find out.
Do ln.
No,
I'm the
because he's
person
already
who
a
put
log.
the
I don't want to do
x on
ln
the
because
right.
that's another log.
You
Put
would-
it in exponential.
Make it an exponential. Okay, now, this is kind of a weird function because the log is over here, okay? So when I make him an exponential, what's the base?
2.
2, because it's the base of the log, right? That's the same number. 2 to the what?
X.
3x minus 5.
Oh, that is really disgusting. Equals
1024.
1024. Now what do I do? Because I'm trying to solve for x. Oh my goodness, this is so ugly.
I'm
Okay.
not sure. I'm
No,
sure
we can't divide by 2.
Can you just distribute it?
But what we can do is look at this number right here. And look at this number. 1024 is the same thing as 2 to something.
Oh no, not
2
That is
to
6.
Bigger.
No.
4.
Bigger.
10.
10. Try 10.
So smart.
What is 2 to the 10th power? Check it.
That is correct.
Ha ha.
No?
Just wait. Okay, so we've got that, right? I took 1024. I'm not doing anything to either side. I'm just rewriting 1024 as 2 to the 10th power. Now what happens?
The 2.
Yeah.
The 2's are gone, right? I just have 3x minus 5 equals 10. And then let me do the math, right?
The
Add the 5. So 3x equals
50.
15. And then, hey, look at that.
Full.
X is 5.
Wait, is it full 5 or 50?
5.
Full 6 is 50. Full 10 is 50.
Got it? Good? Okay, those are going to be ones that kind of stump you a little bit. All right? Okay, so evens, do the rest of the
So
evens.
many left.
Yeah, you only got 4 left on this page. Right.
Because
Okay.
the computer doesn't
So
lie.
evens. All right? If you work for a while, you'll get done. I
Well, you know,
promise.
like,
You have like 20 minutes left. Holy cow, you have 20 minutes left.
the big
Okay? Goodbye, people
Well,
watching this
until-
video.